Hi there, welcome to the Rescue Pod Designs channel. Today I'm going to show you how to look for the next stitch when you're using faux fur yarn and really how easy it can be. I'm going to use the example of my dog blanket, which I will link the pattern up in the corner, so be sure to check it out. So all you have to do is feel for the next stitch. So all you really is just simple as just putting your finger through and single crocheting. You don't need to be intimidated by this yarn or feel like you can't do it because it really is simple. I'm going to do this a few more times just so you can see how I'm doing it. Promise you can do it. I wanted to take the chance to get a closer look at this yarn for you, so I used Go for Faux Yarn by Lion Brand, which is a size 6, well it's considered a size 6, and a 9mm crochet hook, and I used the colorway Chinchilla, but there are a lot more colorways available, and I'll also link that down below if you want to check it out. Now I'm going to do this a few more times, just so you can see and you can have the chance to pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you want to do. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe below to the Rescue Pod Designs channel.